Thinking about investing in a car paint job? It's a great way to take your car's image to a whole new level and also boost resale value. We offer affordable, high-quality car paint jobs at Toyota North Charlotte, and we're here to give you more information about what to expect when you schedule one. Why should I schedule a car paint job? Like we mentioned, a car paint job can take your ride to a whole new level in terms of appearance. It makes the car look fresher, newer, and sportier. It also boosts your resale value so you can get more money for your ride if you're trying to sell it. What types of paint jobs do you offer? We actually offer a lot of services for your ride when it comes to paint. You'll be able to schedule an appointment for paint touch-ups for dings, scratches, and chips, repairs after an accident or collision, matching paint for a new part or accessory, clear coat replacement, partial and full paint jobs. What's the difference between a partial and a full paint job? A partial paint job is when you touch up problem areas. It may be to fix accident damage or to cover scratches. When you get a partial car paint job, we only paint the panel where the problem is located, as opposed to painting the whole entire car. Our techs are highly skilled and can match and blend the new paint to the rest of the car perfectly. For example, if you get rear-ended and need a new bumper, our techs can match it to the rest of the vehicle. A full paint job is just what it sounds like. We paint the entire car from bumper to bumper. You may want this service if you need to boost resale value or if the elements have faded your paint. One of the biggest perks of a full car paint job is that you can change the color of the car to whatever you want. Do I need a clear coat? Yes, it may seem like a pain to have to pay for a clear coat, but you're protecting your investment. Clear coat protects your car from the sun's damaging rays and fading, and also protects it from road debris and subsequent scratches and chips. What paint color should I choose? You can choose any color you want if you're getting a full car paint job. However, if you want to keep the resale value high, studies show that black, silver, red, and white are the most popular paint job colors. Anything else may drop the value a little or make it a bit more challenging to sell. And here's some good news. When you choose Toyota North Charlotte for your paint work, you'll get a lifetime warranty to go along with a high-quality job. Ready to schedule your car paint job? Call 704-875-9199 today.